Chicken fry. Half kg of boneless chicken. Salt as per taste. 1 tsp of red chili powder. 1 tsp of curd. Half tsp garam masala. Pinch of red food color. 1 tsp of red chili sauce. 1 tsp of green chili sauce. 1 tsp of soya sauce. 1 tsp of vinegar. 1 tsp of chicken powder. 1 tsp of tomato ketchup. 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. 1 tsp of coriander powder. Add ginger garlic paste in chicken. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Add garam masala powder. Add coriander powder. Add curd. Add red chili sauce. Add soya sauce. Add green chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Add vinegar. Add 1 tsp of chicken powder and add food color. Mix and marinate. Marinate it for 1 hour. Time to fry. Fry on medium flame. Stir in between. Fry until crisp and brown. Chicken is perfectly fried. Turn off flame and remove them in a plate. Fried chicken is done. Tasty and spicy fried chicken is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook. Thanks for watching.